it is not everything that got algebra means they are the same one. Algebra got x, got y, all these comes in, just means that it is attached to some other mathematic things. So in this case, when we look at this, we must realize that the big picture is I have something multiply something. Okay? In this case, I have a bracket multiply a bracket. The first bracket got 2 terms inside, x and minus 2. The second bracket got 3 terms, x, minus 3y, and plus 5. So when I'm multiplying a bracket and a bracket, I need to multiply everything from first bracket, multiply to everything inside the second bracket. So we go systematically. We start with the first thing in the first bracket, multiply the first thing in the second bracket, I will have x squared. Then I go to first term in the first bracket, multiply second term in the second bracket. Then I will have minus 3xy. Then I go to my first term in first bracket, multiply third term in second bracket. Okay? Like that, my first term multiply everything already. My first term from the first bracket multiply everything already. So I know I'm done with the first term. Then I can go and look at my second term. Second term is negative 2. Negative 2 times x. I will have minus 2x. Negative 2 times second term. Minus times minus become plus. Then I have 6y. Okay? Then lastly, my second term from first bracket need to multiply the third term second bracket. Negative times positive, negative. 2 times 5, 10. Ryan, are you listening or not? Okay? Then I need to simplify. Put all the terms with the same algebra one together. X squared only have x squared by itself. Okay? From x squared, I will start to look for x. So I see my plus 5x. Then I see my minus 2x. So these two terms contains x. They can be grouped together. Okay? So if I group together, first I will have plus 5x minus 2x. Okay? Then I go to hello. Then I go to terms with still have x1. Then x times y minus 3xy. Then y. So plus 6y. Don't have any other terms with y already. Then I still have my numbers. Okay? Then I need to simplify some more. Because plus 5x minus 2x, they are grouped together one. All are describing how many x. So plus 5 minus 2 plus 3. So this is your final answer. Okay? Those who are able to start, check that you got the correct answer. Yeah? Correct or not? Ines? Okay. Question 2. Hello. Question 2. What is the big picture? K-Way. What is the big picture? Huh? No. What is the big picture here? What are we doing? We are taking a fraction minus a fraction. That is the big picture here. We are taking a fraction minus a fraction. Okay? Then I told you a lot of time, when we have more than one term, denominator or numerator, the very first thing is add our bracket first. Lexus, fall asleep already. Okay? So this is a fraction minus a fraction. If I know I am subtracting a fraction, then I must know that next thing I want to do is make common denominator. Whenever I am subtracting fraction and fraction, I make common denominator. Okay? So that will lead me to how to make common denominator. I need to have this bracket, they belong together, multiply this bracket that belongs together. Okay? So from there, I will have here multiply this bracket. But when I multiply this bracket to the denominator, I need to multiply it to the numerator. Okay? Then the second fraction, I need to multiply the first bracket. Then same, I need to multiply the same thing to the numerator. Okay? So this flow, this main idea is no different from primary school. Subtraction, addition of fraction, make common denominator, then put them together. Now my common denominator is 2x minus 3, x plus 2. Then what is in the numerator? The first numerator minus the second numerator. Okay? Then I keep repeating, don't expand, don't expand, don't expand. Okay? After you put them together already, then you look at the multiplication of bracket and then you do your expansion. Then you will not get it wrong, or less likely to get it wrong. Five times x, 5x. Hey, why disappear? Okay, disappeared. Okay, look at the number and do your expansion. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 2, 10. Then here, I should minus everything inside the bracket. So I must minus 2x. I must minus negative 3. Minus 2x is simple. Minus 2x. Hello, hello. Minus negative 3. When I minus the negative 3, it will change to plus. So this is the common mistake. Student never change. Okay? So when I subtract a fraction and a fraction, I will still be left with a fraction 1. It is just simplifying. Okay? Numerator, 5x minus 2x. 3x plus 10 plus another 3, so plus 13. So this is your final answer already. It is a fraction, but this is your final answer. Ryan, follow or not? You all got to start listening and learning, especially the sports people. So often you all miss because of NSG. Then after that you must catch up. Okay? Sender also. Are you okay? Come here, sleep, dreamy. Huh? What? You are always sleepy. Again? You got how many bladder? Okay, go, go, go. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, for part B again, let me ask. Gerald, what is the big picture here? Yes. What are we doing? Wrong. What is the big picture? What is this question asking you to do? No. What is the big picture? You must know the main thing that you are doing first, right? Huh? You never listen, that's why you don't know. We just talk about it here. What are we doing? Even if I don't care whether got X or not, what are we doing in this question? Why do we make denominator be the same? Why? What is the big question here? What are we doing? We are taking a fraction and minus a fraction. That is what we are doing. That is the big picture. You must know this thing, or else how you know what you're going to do? Your big framework, your big direction must be there. We are taking a fraction, then we are subtracting another fraction. Jasmine, got follow or not? Ines, got follow or not? What is the big picture? No. $11:45 still early, what? Oh, you're going off already, go. Okay. Ines, what is the big picture here? No. See? You're just talking, never listen. Huh? Yes. We are taking a fraction and minus a fraction. This is the biggest main picture that you must know you are doing. Okay? Then again, more than one term, I put my bracket. All these are standard things that you have to do every time you see. You know fraction minus a fraction. Then, after that, recognizing that this is a quadratic expression or x squared expression, then you must start to think, oh, I need to factorize it. I need to make it into a bracket times a bracket. Okay? Then that is where your factorizing comes in. If you are used to this one, put your x squared here, put your positive 25 here, put your minus 10x here. Then I want to break it down into the two brackets. Then I told you before also, very likely, the first bracket is one of your factor already. Okay? X times x will give you your x squared. Then most likely this minus 5 is one of your factor already. So try the minus 5 first. Minus 5 multiply what to get positive 25? Minus must multiply minus. 5 multiply 5 to get back your 25. Then you double check. X times minus 5 is minus 5x. Then we add them together. Correct. It is minus 10x. Okay? So you can rewrite this thing into okay? Then to make common denominator, my left hand side fraction, the denominator is still missing one more bracket. That's why I need to multiply the same thing. How, Lexus? Following or not? Okay? So when you have your main idea, then you will know you want to make common denominator. Then you will think what to do to make common denominator. Okay? Then you will know my next step is to subtract the numerators. 2x need to multiply x minus 5. 3x don't need to multiply anything. Okay? Then I need to simplify further. Do my expansion. Okay? Then simplify further. 2x squared cannot simplify already. Minus 10x minus another 3x. Altogether minus 13x. Follow. Tuan, your answer correct or not? Of course. Okay. Who calling me? Who is that guy? Short guy. Huh? What name? Caden. 27 Caden. Very short one. Okay, Ken. Okay, question 3. Question 3. Hey, hello. I talk, you also talk, then who listen? Okay, question 3 again. Although got algebra, got x, got y, but this time we are doing different thing. We are making x the subject. Meaning, x is the subject means my x is alone by itself. All the other things put the other side. Okay? So this time round, the big picture is making x the subject. So I go back to the equation that I'm given. I look for all my x. Here, my x is trapped inside the bracket. Brackets are the closest, so they belong together. Then right hand side got another x term also, x times y. So my job is to put all the x on one side. But before I can do it, I must rescue my x from the bracket first. How do I rescue my x? I do the multiplication. 3 multiply x, 3x. 3 multiply negative 1, negative 3. Okay? We are writing equation. Left hand side continue to be on the left hand side, continue to be on the left hand side. Then right hand side, I never change anything, so still xy. Right hand side continue to be on the right hand side. Then I want all my x term to be on the left. So I don't want this minus 3 here. I want this minus 3 to disappear. To disappear, I need to add 3 to both sides. I want them to still be equal. So I add 3 here, add 3 here. So they are still the same. Minus 3, hello. Minus 3, add 3 will disappear. Okay? But when I add 3, it will become on the right hand side, add 3. Then this cancel out already. Then my xy, I don't want it to be on the right. I want it to disappear from the right. So in an equation, I need to minus xy from both sides. xy minus xy, it will disappear. Then on the left, it will appear as minus xy. Now I have two terms with x. I want to isolate x, so I must do my factorization. Take out x, and I'll be left with 3 minus y. Then finally, I divide both sides by the bracket. Answer. Hey, hello. If you have free period, can? Okay, next one more difficult because I am still want to put my x on one side. But right now my x is inside the bracket and it is being squared. Why you never ask one, Alexis? Go. Okay? So I need to rescue my x squared from the bracket first. Just now we do it by doing expansion. Now I show you another different way to remove the bracket. If my p over 2 disappear from the right, then nothing multiply my bracket. I no longer need to put the bracket. So, instead of opening the bracket, I multiply I multiply 2 over P to both sides. I am doing the same thing. So left and right will still be equal. Okay? But when I multiply 2 over P to the right hand side, my 2 will cancel with this 2. My P will cancel with this P. So on the right, I am left with x squared minus q squared. When my x squared minus q squared is alone, it also means that I no longer need to put the bracket. It doesn't multiply anything already. Okay? Then my left hand side will be left with 2s over p. Okay? Continue. I don't want my q squared term to be with my x squared term. So I add a q squared to both sides. Okay? Then let me put my x squared on the left, put my 2s over p plus q squared on the right. I am just switching them, so I don't need to change sign. I put this here, so don't need to change sign. Then finally, I want x. I don't want x squared. So I will need to take square root. Because square root will cancel out my square. Yeah, then I need to add plus minus. Answer.
Why you change from P over 2 to 1P?
Because I want to cancel away the P over 2. So I multiply 2 over P on both sides. Okay, Ken? How? Softballers need to go or not? Oh. Hey, I want to later go watch them win Maris one. Wow. Okay, all the best. Hey, what you all watching? Ice cream. Okay, come. Factorize. Okay? Factorize. Again, we must go and identify how many terms are there. Okay? Terms are separated by plus and minus. So I have 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. Whenever I can, I try to see if there are common factor across all 4. But in this case, don't have. Nothing is common across all 4. So I must be thinking, do 2 terms by 2 terms. Okay? So when I look at the first 2 terms, 4AC and 6BC, both can be divided by 2, both can be divided by C. So I factorize out 2C. I'll be left with 2A minus 3B. Okay? 9B and 6A, both can be divided by 3. So let me take out a minus 3. Then I must double check all my sign. Okay? Okay, let me take out, never mind, let me take out negative 3 first. Then I'll be left with positive 3B and negative 2a. Minus times minus to give me back my plus. So this one must be minus. Okay? If I started like that, hey Cyrus, you're not going, you pay attention. You done already. Okay, so if I take out negative 3 and I end up with 3b minus 2a, here 2b minus 3a, 2a minus 3b, they are different in sign. So I must know I need to factorize out a negative sign. So I will factorize out a negative sign to change my 2a to positive 2a. Then my 3b will become negative 3b. As I factorize out the negative, my negative will change this negative to positive 3. Then I will have a complete same bracket. When the bracket is completely the same, I can factorize the bracket out. Then I'll be left with 2c plus 3. Okay? 2c plus 3. Ines! Oh, you keep looking at the boys, why? No. Okay, question 5. We finish question 5 and stop. Okay, there is this formula. T equals to 21 minus h over 120. Then they want you to make h the subject. Okay? So I start with T. I want to make h the subject. First, I want to isolate this whole term with h. So I will bring this term across to the left. So become T plus h over 120 equals to 21. I want to isolate it and I want it to be positive. That's why I bring this across. I want to isolate it, so I don't want the T here. I want my T to go the other side. When it go the other side, become minus. Then finally, I want h. I don't want h over 120. So I need to multiply 120. When I multiply 120, 120 will cancel out 120 here. Then I need to multiply 120 to both sides. So my answer is 120 multiply the entire right hand side. This is my answer. Don't need why need to expand? Yeah, don't need. Okay? You can leave it like that. Can already. Answer. If you expand correctly, you are correct also. Then you need to take 120 multiply 21, 120 multiply negative t. If you expand correctly, your answer will be correct also. Okay? Temperature is negative 36. Find the height. So they are actually asking you to find the h when t is negative 36. So this one you just need to take your answer and do a substitution. Substitute t so everything else don't change. Then t, I replace it with a bracket. Put my negative 36 inside. Then key into your calculator. Your calculator will tell you what is the answer. Okay? I trying to use my mental sum, but my mental sum is failing me. How do you all get 6840? Do you all get 6840, those who finish? Oh, I thought you all do so fast then. Huh? Then never check. Correct. Then Ines. Okay, Ken. Then we'll end our lesson here. I will put this video up. The last question not as important. Okay?